So you might be thinking for your business about getting a tuning tool, but the question is, which one do you need? Well, I would suggest this is the perfect place to start. This is the KESS3. Now, who's it good for? It's perfect for tuners that want to start off in the business. It's perfect for workshops that want to grow their business with a little bit more work. And it's fantastic for a workshop that wants one professional platform that can do everything in one package. That would be OBD, bench and boot, all in one tool. One of the great things of this particular tool is the diversity of coverage. This tool will take you all the way back to vehicles from the 1990s, all the way up to vehicles from the 2020s. So one tool really can do an awful lot. Now, as standard, it will come as you want it. So most people will have the cars and light vans, but also, should you need it to, it can be extended to do things like bikes, marine, and even heavier machinery. It's a very versatile tool. In terms of ECU coverage, it's absolutely excellent. And as I said, it goes back an awfully long way. But if you want to do transmissions, so TCUs, it's also very, very good. It's very easy to use and it's very intuitive. In fact, most people can be up and running with this in just a few hours of training. And of course, it's plug and play. It works straight away. And not only do you have 20 years of Alientech heritage, all of that tuning knowledge behind you, but also you have here the VIEZU team, the software engineers, the developers, all here on the email at the end of the phone, giving you the support you need. So what's in the box? Well, everything you could possibly need. You do, of course, have the tool, and that is beautiful. As I say, 20 years of heritage and know-how in that one, plus also every connector you could ever need for ECU, boot and bench with OBD connections as well. But which kit do you need? Well, if you're just starting out, I would say the startup kit is perfect. That gives you the tool, everything you see in this box, 5 free car files, and also this fantastic battery stabilizer, which will keep a constant voltage on the car's battery while you're doing your work. If you want to go a little bit more, go for the Pro Kit. That gives you 10 free files. Then you also get full diagnostic tool, this rather excellent extension cable, which is very long, means you can work from almost anywhere. And of course, the finishing touch, this natty jacket and polo combination, meaning you're ready to start work and look professional as you do. And all you need to do is head to the VIEZU website to get yours.